Hi, this is Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife, with a success journaling tip for you. Some days, believe me, I know, just don't feel like putting more words down. You've had a long day at work, your kids are on your nerves, or maybe you're just tired. We expect so much out of ourselves. So here's what I do when it gets like that, or even if I'm writing to a prompt and I get stuck and just can't, nothing else is coming up. I have a mantra or a saying or a phrase at the ready to use. I was just practicing that right here in my journal. I wrote things like, there was gold dust in the air. For me, I got that from Catherine Ponder years ago. My word of the year for this year is freedom. So I wrote, freedom is here now. Freedom is here now. I wrote, every day in every way, better and better and better. Do you know that one? I wrote, love abounds. I attract all I need and more. I attract all I need and more in my business and personal life, in my family. There is freedom every day in every way, better and better and better. And what happens as you do this, as you write these affirmations, these mantras over and over again, the air and the energy clears. And you go from thinking, I just can't write another word, to, oh, what's going to come next? Try this out. Let me know how it works. This is Julie Jordan Scott, Creative Life Midwife. Subscribe if you don't already. Check out my next video on journaling. It's right here, especially for you and your future success. Thanks for being here.